Good morning students, welcome back to the online session. In your previous session, we had learned about the perimeter and based on some problems on perimeter, and we learned about the area. So in this session, we can do some problems based on area and perimeter. So what is an area? Already in the previous session we learned area means the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called area. So there are two formulas are there. Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. So area of a rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. Area of a rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. In the same way, area of a square. Area of a square. Area of a square is nothing but side into side. Side into side. These two formulas are very important in your 6th class. So in side whole square is, so area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth, and area of a square is equal to side into side, that is nothing but side square. You can do some problems based on these two formulas. First one, the area of a rectangular frame, the area of a rectangular frame is 1125 square centimeters. If its width is 25 centimeters, what is its length? So students, listen. So what is the question? The area of a rectangular frame. So area is given. This is the rectangular area is given 1125 square centimeters. So its width is nothing but breadth. That is nothing but 25 centimeters. 25 centimeters. Width is nothing but breadth, that is 25 centimeters. We can find the length. Length is this one. So we can find the length. Length is nothing but, we can say x. So we can, length is equal to x, breadth is equal to 25 centimeters, and the area is equal to 1125 square centimeters. So now we can find the length by using these two area and width. So first, given that, so length of a rectangle is equal to length of a rectangle is equal to, so this is small l. L means length of a rectangle. So x, we can say x. Next, breadth of a rectangle, that is nothing but width also. So breadth of a rectangle is equal to, so that is nothing but b. So what is breadth? 25 centimeters. 25 centimeters. In the same way, area of a rectangle. So area of a rectangle is equal to, so 1125 square centimeters. So this is also area of a rectangle. We already know the formula. Area of a rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. Area of a rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. So area of a rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. So this is also area of a rectangle, and this is also area of a rectangle. Both are equal. So what is the length? Length is equal to x. So in the place of L, we can take x, and what is breadth? Breadth of a rectangle is equal to 25. Breadth of a rectangle is equal to 25. So L is equal to x and b is equal to 25 is equal to 1125. 1125 25. So we can find the length of the rectangle. So that is nothing but we can find the place value of x. What is the value of x? So the 25 in this place 25 can multiplied. So this 25 come to this side, it can be division. So it can be division. So x is equal to 1125 divided by 25. So 1125 divided by 25. So we can see how many times cancel. 25, 1125. So first we can take three numbers. 25 fours are 100, 25 fives are 125. So this is the biggest 125. So we can take 25 fours are. So 25 fours are 100. So 2 minus 0 2, 1 minus 0 1. So 1 minus 1 0. So we can down to this number 125. How many times cancel? 5 times. 25 fives are 125. 25 fives are 125. We can subtract 125 minus 125. So what is the answer? 0. So how many times cancel? 45 times cancel. So x means length. Therefore length of the rectangle is equal to 45. Therefore x is nothing but length of rectangle. Therefore length of the rectangle is equal to 45 centimeters. So students, again I can explain. The area of a rectangular frame is 1125 square centimeters. So the rectangle area is 1125 square centimeters. If its width is 25 centimeters, width is nothing but breadth. So the breadth of the rectangle is 25 centimeters. So what is its length? So we can find the length. We don't know what is the value of length. So we can say x. We can say x. So given that the solution, given that length of a rectangle we don't know. So we can take x. We can say x. Next, breadth of a rectangle B is equal to 25 centimeters. In the same way, area of a rectangle is also given. So we can write area of a rectangle is equal to 1125 square centimeters. So we already know the formula. What is the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. So this is also area of a rectangle and this is also area of a rectangle. So that means these both are equal. So length into breadth is equal to 1125. So what is the value of length? We can say x. So we can put x into what is the breadth? Breadth is equal to 25. So we can take write the place of breadth 25. So x into 25 is equal to 1125. So next in this x, first we can find the value of the length. So the question is we can find the length of the rectangle. That is nothing but we can find the value of x. So in this x, 25 can be multiplied with x. So we can this 25 come to this side. So the 25 can be divided with this number. So x is equal to 25 come to this side. That is nothing but multiplied. So 1125 divided with 25. So how many times cancel? 45 times cancel. That is nothing but 45. So what is x? X is nothing but length of the rectangles. So therefore length of a rectangle is equal to 45 centimeters. So next we are going to another question. So second question. The length of the rectangular field is the length of a rectangular field is the length of a rectangular field is 60 meters and the breadth is and the breadth is half of its length. Find the area of the field. Find the area of the field. So students, so what is the question? So the length of a rectangular field. So again we can discuss the rectangular shape. So the length of the rectangle is 60 meters. So length is nothing but this one. This is 60 meters, and the breadth is half of its length. That is nothing but half of its length half. So that is nothing but breadth is equal to 60. This length is half. So that is nothing but how many meters? 30 meters. So 30 times cancel. So the length of the rectangular field is 60 meters, and the breadth of the rectangular field is half of its length. So that is nothing but 30. Half of its length, that is nothing but 30. We can find the area of the field. Area of the field. That is nothing but already we know the formula, area of a rectangular. So length into breadth. Length is also there and breadth is also there. So we can multiply. So given that, so length of a rectangular field is equal to length of a rectangular. So length of a rectangular field is equal to 60 meters. So this is nothing but L. And breadth of a rectangular field. Breadth of a rectangular field. Breadth of a rectangular field B. So half of its length. This is B. Half of its length. Half of its length. So that is nothing but length how much? 60. What is meant by half? That is nothing but divided by 2. So 30 meters. So length is also there and breadth is also there. So we can find the area of the rectangular field. Therefore, area of a rectangular field. Area of a rectangular field is equal to, what is the formula? So length into breadth. So what is the formula? Area of a rectangular field is equal to length into breadth. So what is the length? So the length of the rectangle is 60 meters. So 60 meters into, what is breadth? Breadth of the formula, breadth of the rectangle 30. So 30 meters. So first we can close the zeros. 6 3s are 18. So 18. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So you can put 2 zeros. You can close 2 zeros. Next you can put the 2 zeros. Meter into meter. Meter square or square meter. So this is the area of a rectangular field. So here the question has given that length of the rectangular field is 60 meters and the breadth of a rectangular field is half of its length, that is nothing but 60 divided by 2, that is nothing but 30 meters. So next we can find the area of the rectangular field. Therefore, area of a rectangular field is equal to formula length into breadth. So length is equal to length is equal to 60 into breadth is equal to 30. 6 3s are 18, 2 zeros, meter into meter, meter square. So this is the complete. Next we are going to another question. So third question, a square sheet of paper. A square sheet of paper has a perimeter has a perimeter of 40 centimeters. So what is the length of its side? What is the length of its side? And also find the area. Find the area of the square sheet. There are two questions are asking square sheet. So, solution. A square sheet paper. So, a square sheet paper is there. So, a square sheet paper has a perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but the boundary. The boundary of this shape is 40 centimeters. So, we can find the length. So, we don't know length. That is nothing but S. So, we don't know length of the side and also area of the square sheet. So, first we can find the area of the square sheet. What is the formula? Side into side. So, we don't know what is the side of this square sheet. So, first we can find the side of the square sheet and next we can find the area of the square. So, how can we find the square side of this square sheet? So, there is some hint is there. Perimeter of the square sheet. This is the hint. By using this hint, we can find the side of the square sheet. So, how? So, students listen. The perimeter of A, given that perimeter of A square sheet. Perimeter of a square sheet. So, perimeter of a square sheet is 40 centimeters. But we already know the perimeter of a square formula. What is the perimeter of a square formula? Very good. 4 into length of any side. Is it correct or wrong? Correct. This is the perimeter of a square formula. This is also a perimeter of a square formula. This is also a perimeter of the square. So, both are equal. So, both are same. 4 into length of any side is a perimeter of a square. 40 is also in this question perimeter of a square. So, both are equal. So, 4 into. So, the length of any side we can take the letter x. We can take the letter. We don't know length of any side. We can find that length. So, we can take x say. 4 into x is equal to 40. So, first we can find the length of the side. That is nothing but we can find the x. So, but this 4 is there. This 4 come to this side. This 4 is multiplied with x. This 4 come to this side. It can be divided. So, x is equal to 40 divided by 4. This 4 come to this side. It can be division with 4. How many times cancel? This is 1 time and this is 10. So, x is equal to 10. So, in this question what is x? Length of the square. The side of a square is equal to, therefore, the side of a square is equal to, that is nothing but x. What is the side of the square? Length of the side of a square is equal to 10 centimeters. So, first one is completed. We find the length of the side is 10 centimeters. So, the next question is, we can find the area of the square. It is also very easy, area of the square. Therefore, area of a square is equal to, already we know the formula. What is the area of a square? Side into side. Side into side. So, what is side? 10 centimeters. That is nothing but 10 into 10. We already know 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100 centimeter square. 100 centimeter square. Again, I can explain this question. A square sheet of a paper has perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but boundary of that shape. So perimeter of 40 centimeters, and we can find the length. We don't know length of this side. We don't know that length of the side. We can find the length of its side, and also next we can find the area of the square sheet. So first we can find the length of its side. So because there is a hint, perimeter. In this question we have a hint. Perimeter is of a square is hint. By using this we can find the length of the side of a square. So the perimeter of a square sheet is equal to 40 centimeters. We already know the formula. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of any side. This is also a perimeter of a square, and this is also a perimeter of a square. That is nothing but both are equal. So 4 into length of any side is equal to 40. 4 into length of any side is nothing but we can say x. So in the place of length of any side you can take x. 4 into x is equal to 40. So here we can find the length of the side. So the 4 can be multiplied. Come to this side, it can be division. So x is equal to 40 divided by 4. So it can how many times cancel? 10 times cancel. So 4 how many times? 10 times. So the side of a square is equal to 10 centimeters. So we can find the length of the side. Next we can find the area. So we already know the formula. Area of a square is equal to side into side. Area of a square is equal to side into side. That is nothing but s into s. So side is equal to 10 centimeters. 10 into 10. 10 times are 100. Centimeter into centimeter. Centimeter square. So next question. So fourth one. The area of a rectangular plot is 2400 square meters. The area of a rectangular plot is 2400 square meters, and its length is 1 by 2 times of its breadth. 1 by 2 times of its breadth. So what is the perimeter? What is the perimeter? So students, the area of a rectangular plot. So in this question we can discuss about the rectangular plot. So rectangular plot. So the area is 2400 square meters. The area of a rectangular plot is 2400 square meters, and its length is 1 by 2 times of its breadth. So 1 by 2 times of its breadth. For example, breadth is equal to x. So 1 by 2 times of its breadth. So length is equal to 1 by 2 times of breadth. So 1 by 2 nothing but this is a mixed fraction. We can convert into a fraction. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 by 2 times into breadth. So 3 by 2. What is the breadth? X. So length is equal to 3x by 2. So the breadth is equal to x, and the length is 1 by 2 times of breadth. So 1 by 2, that is mixed fraction converted into normal fraction, that is nothing but 3 by 2 into what is the breadth? Breadth is equal to x. So 3x by 2. So breadth is also there and the length is also there. So we can find the perimeter. So perimeter is formula is equal to 2 into bracket of L plus B. 2 into bracket of L plus B. So we can find that first. So breadth of given that given that, so breadth of a rectangular plot, breadth of a rectangular plot is equal to, we don't know, so we can say x. Next, length of the rectangular plot is equal to, length of a rectangular plot is equal to 1 by 2 times of breadth. 1 by 2 times of breadth, that is nothing but 2. 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction, so that is nothing but 3x by 2. 3x by 2. So the breadth is equal to x and the length is equal to 3x by 2. So in the area of a rectangle is also given. Therefore, area of a rectangle is equal to, so area of a rectangle is equal to, rectangular plot is equal to 2400 square meters. So this is also a area of a rectangle. We know the formula, area of a rectangle, length into breadth. So this is also a area of a rectangle and this is also a area of a rectangle. Both are equal. So length is equal to 3x by 2 into breadth is equal to x. So 2400. So 3x into x, 3x square. So 3x square by 2 is equal to 2400. So this we can 2 in this side 2 is divided. So this side, this 2 come to this side, we can multiply it. So 3x square is equal to 2400 into 2. Next, so this 3 is also multiplied. Come to this side, it can be division. So x square is equal to 2400 into 2 divided by 3. So this 3 cancel. How many times cancel? 8 times. 3 8s are 24. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So x square is equal to 800 into 2. That is nothing but 1600. X square can be written as x into x. So that is 1600 can be written as 40 into 40. So x is equal to 40. In this case, what is x? Breadth of the rectangle. Therefore, breadth is equal to 40 centimeters and length is equal to 3x by 2. That is nothing but 3 into 40 by 2. This 2 cancel. How many times cancel? 20 times. So 3 20s are 60 centimeters. We have length and breadth. So next we are going to find the perimeter. Next we are going to find the perimeter. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to, what is the formula? 2 into bracket of L plus B. So 2 into, what is the length? Length is equal to 60 centimeters plus, what is the breadth? 40 centimeters. So 2 into 60 plus 40, 100. So 2 into 100, 200 centimeters. So the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 200 centimeters. So students, these are the questions based on the area. So thank you.